recently bought this AC adapter from AliExpress for the Nintendo Switch, and now we're gonna check if it works with the dock. As you can see, the dock is working using the original Nintendo one, and this is the AliExpress one. This is the Nintendo cable running all the way to the Switch. Now I'm gonna plug it out and take this cable from the AliExpress charger. So as you can see, this is the cable running all the way down, and I'm going to plug it in. And now I'll try again, and it says no signal, and on the dock it says could not connect to the TV. Please make sure that you're using AC adapter supported with this, that's supplied with this console. So as you can see, this charger cannot output to the dock. And if I take it out, again, this is the cable, and plug it into the Switch itself. Let's try and plug it. Now, as you can see, it's charging, so it is working. It can charge the Switch itself, but it cannot power the dock, which it's supposed to. This is again the original cable from Nintendo. And the original adapter, when I put the console back in, everything works. So this charger, again, the OTVO, I don't know how to pronounce it, can only charge the Switch, and I'm not sure that it's safe, but it cannot power the dock like the original adapter. So as far as my use of it, it's not gonna be useful for me. I don't know if you should buy it. I don't know what to do with it. Probably just gonna use it to charge my phones, because it's just a 5V 2.4 amps adapter.